Hey, in this video I'm going to share with you how to claim your dogs token. Finally, the time is here. We can claim tokens now. I'm gonna do it live. The message just came out like probably an hour ago at max. It's been yeah, an hour or so. The message is the claims are open now. If you haven't watched my last two videos, make sure you do, because they're gonna give you a lot of better idea of what to expect. This video about the price prediction is based on the examples of other tokens that I've recently launched. It gives you a lot better idea what to expect, because you don't want to have a big numbers in mind, because you're gonna have to pay gas fees as well. Remember that. Okay. How to claim your tokens? So they're open, and the one thing, if you don't have exchanges that OKX, Bybit, you need to do KYC and account and all those things. But I'm going to probably use DEX. I'm gonna just swap it rather than going through the exchanges, because OKX is not available in the UK. Bybit, I don't think so is available. So for me, the DEX is the best option right now. So even if you request now the withdrawals, claim it, you won't get it till 20th August as it says here, but they will be deposited in your account of choice by 20 August. So it could come early, but it could take time as well. So you won't be able to do anything with that anyways. So you do your job, claim it, and then go back when the trading starts. You will have in your account anyways. So they mentioned there could be high load, you might not see your claim button. That's one of the things if you desire to withdraw non-custodial. If you want to withdraw in your Tonekeeper wallet, as mentioned here, you won't have it until 20th. So basically the point here is you won't have the tokens till 20th of this month, which is 4 days away. They're just initiating the withdrawals, giving people a task to do, but you won't have the tokens by next 4 days. So anyways, that's one thing. The second thing is, I'm gonna go, I haven't done this, right? I only have one account. People have thousands of accounts. I don't do that. But yeah, deposit to exchange. If you want to do exchanges, so you can click exchange, continue. If you have OK Exchange, send here. Yes, I have it. Do you have it? I don't have it. So you just have to go with the task, whatever they're saying. Just click on those things and you'll be fine. But I'm going to choose this option, wallet in Telegram. Okay, non-custodian wallet is one other thing, which is Tonekeeper. But I'm going to choose this, open wallet in Telegram. Continue. Verification complete. Please return tokens. What I've did is I've connected, probably my wallet already was connected anyway, so that's not a big deal. Choose another option. Just keep going. Withdraw to wallet in Telegram. So they will come in my Telegram wallet, and I think I have some tone for gas fees already. Confirm withdrawal of this. Choose another option. I confirm this. Deposits in progress. Now you'll be ready by 20th August. I'm done here, and it's that simple. Okay, the best option I think is either you can send exchange if you have account. If you don't have account, rather than go Tonekeeper, use Telegram wallet, because you already have Telegram account. It's much easier. So do that. Woof. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Withdrawing is initiated. I will have my tokens by 20th August. Just 4 days away, and it didn't ask me for gas fees or anything. So I think if you're drawing in your Tone wallet, your Telegram wallet, you might not have to pay gas fees. That's a good thing. You just have to pay gas fees if you want to sell it, most probably. And the good thing with that is, if you want to sell your tokens later on, you will know the value. If it's worth selling it, you sell it. If it's not worth selling, you don't sell it, because I think the Tone gas transaction fee is around 0.2 to 0.3 Tone. So we'll see that when the time comes. I'll probably do live transaction as well and see how much I made. Alright guys, have a good day. I'll see you next video. Do subscribe and follow my socials. The link is gonna be in description. It will be this link. Click on that, you'll find all my socials. Have a good day. Bye.